Welcome to the new craft studio. Let's go in. All right. This is a first glimpse into the new craft studio. So I actually have a storefront now, and I could not be more excited about that. So we again signed the lease yesterday, and this is how it is in its current state. So let me show you a little bit more and share my vision with what we plan to do over the next few weeks in this episode. So as you can tell, we have these not so pretty cubbies in the space right now. There's actually 6 of them. So back in the day, I'm sure they did some type of calling or some telemarketing. So we are going to be tearing down all 6 of these walls. We are going to be painting the existing wall, but not the front brick, which you'll see if you didn't catch a glimpse, you'll see at the end. There's a beautiful brick front with the windows. The lighting will have obviously more lights. As paper crafters, we need lots of good lighting in here, so we're going to be changing that out. And then this beautiful carpet, the carpet actually isn't in terrible shape, but it's not what I want for my craft studio, so we are going to be putting in all new flooring, beautiful vinyl floor. So let's take a little walk back through here. In this area, once it's all clear out, we're gonna have lots of tables. It's going to be very spacious for you and your friends to come and take a card class here or a crafting experience with me. We're planning to do one-day retreats and stamp camps and card making, and just so much fun will be held in here. And we will have a lot more room than at the previous space. So once this comes all down, it will be nice and open, and there will be, again, lots of tables. And here I want to show you this cabinet that is existing, and I'm thinking that I'm going to keep this cabinet and maybe paint it and put in a new top, and this would be perfect for like a die cutting station and to hold ink pads and maybe a coffee maker and some water and drinks. So right now we're planning on keeping this, but giving it a good update. And then this is where I get super excited too. Once these 2 walls, the last cubbies, come down, pretty much from where I'm standing back, we are going to be building a wall. It will go all the way across, but it'll only be about 8 foot tall, so it won't go all the way to the ceiling. And there will be a door at some point on it. And this is going to be my new personal craft space where I will do all of my designing. I will be doing my YouTube videos here, and anything that I need to do with my paper crafting business is going to happen right here in this entire studio. But a lot of my designing and stuff is going to happen in here. And so this is where it's going to be. Also, somewhere in here, I'm not sure the layout yet, but there will be a desk for my husband, Ryan. About a month ago, he started working with me 3 days a week, and he is a marketing director. And so he doesn't stamp or die cut or sort paper. Well, sometimes he sorts paper when I get in a bind, but he does a lot of my technical behind the scenes type stuff and all of my email marketing and all of that stuff that is way over my head. So he will have a desk in here too to work at. And finally, we do have a closet, a little storage area back here. So I'll just give you a peek. And back here, see back here, there's some beautiful wallpaper back there. But back here is where we plan to just have all of our shipping supplies. So all the boxes and envelopes and stuff, when I send you out your beautiful packages, they're going to be stored back there. So this is the new craft studio storefront here in Davison, Michigan. I hope that you have already subscribed and turned on your notifications. If not, make sure you do that so you don't miss out on future episodes. And I can't wait to show you once we actually start demolitioning the walls and all the fun stuff. So again, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.